Okay, so we have this built. Now we're on Arduino or NeoPixel 216 Yahtzee. Okay, so previous one we made a dice, right? Now this one, the data order is very different, and we're gonna have to fix that in our subroutine. So first of all, let's just see if everything works. So we have, see up top, we have 10 pixels. We have, I guess I'll flip it around for you guys. Not that you can see much. Yeah, you can't really see much. That's all right. But we have, let's see, we have 10, 19, and 10. So that's 19, 29, 39. So under our LED count, let's do 39. Okay, cool. We're going to leave this dice the same. This is actually going to work out great for us. Uh, but we need to change the subroutine a lot. Okay. So first of all, under our part that shows each of the dice, I'm gonna actually comment that out, and we're going to just test each one line by line and look at the data order here. Because of the way I installed them, I made it hard on myself, but that's all right. We can fix this in programming. A is less than LED count. And then A plus plus. All right. So we're just going to turn on each pixel to check out the order, and then we'll create a strategy from that. Let's see, red, green, blue. Yeah, we'll do 100 for blue. We'll also get to see how the diffusion looks. That'll be cool. Whoops. The second. Oh, there it is. Okay. I figured out why I did that. I was looking for the or on my keyboard, and I just found it. All right. Oh, I see what I'm doing here. I'm getting out of order, but I'll still set this up. Okay, so after it shows it, or after we tell it in memory to set it, we're gonna do a strip.show. Okay, and then we're gonna do a delay of, let's say, 150, just to get an idea of the data order. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, now we're using a nano this time. See, the nano's on, yeah, COM66. That's right. I checked that a second ago. See, we're an Arduino AVR Nano. Okay. And then tools, programmer, AVR, ISP Mark II. Cool. Okay. Gonna hit upload and see what happens. Now, it's still gonna run all this other stuff, so it's gonna show a lot of weird things. But let's watch well, once it compiles here. There it goes. Uploading now. Let's watch the data order here. Oh, doesn't do much. Okay. Oh, it's still uploading. Oh, okay. So the fact that I'm using a nano and it's saying not in sync, that is an easy one. So I'm going to unplug my USB, plug it back in. Okay. Tools, COM66. So this one must be running the old bootloader. So I'm going to select the old bootloader and hit upload. So right now I have, yeah, the LED pin is 14. All right, there it goes. Reading, writing. Oh, still gave me an issue. Okay, let's check everything again. See, we're in a nano, we're in an old bootloader. COM66, that should be right. Oh, not liking 66. Okay, I'm gonna unplug it, replug it in. Okay, and then, oh, okay, it actually did upload. Okay, so it starts here, it goes this way, and then it comes up here, right? So it's 10 this way. Okay. So even though it's giving me errors here, it did upload. What a pain. I might have another program running that's trying to use that COM port. But our set dice isn't going to work quite right this time now, right? So previously we just had one dice, and that was easy, right? Because it just went back and forth. This one not only goes back and forth, it skips a few. There's a couple things we gotta take care of here. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, we need int dices, int rolls, and word colors. Okay, so we need to know which dice turn on, which number those dice are, and the color of those dice. Okay, so the dice here, that's fine. If dice rolls, let's see. Oh, that's right. Dice is our subroutine. This little thing that tells us whether they're on or off, right? So let's give this a try here. So first of all, it starts here. So the first row starts just fine. It's the bottom two, right? We're sort of flipped from last time. I think I'm gonna bring the last one in. Let's see if I still have that kicking around. I might have scooted it off. Yeah, I guess I did. But yeah, these are oriented different. So these ones are on the side, three, then one, then three. Okay. So this kind of works the same. Maybe it doesn't. No, it should work the same. I don't know. Well, no, yeah, it's not the same data order, huh? So we might have to change all this. Okay. So yeah, let me set this all to zeros and do a different data order on these things. Some of these should still be fine, like the 4, the 5, the 6. The 6 is sort of an issue here, huh? So what do we have on here? We have 1, 2 is on, 3. Okay. So what is that? The 6? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, blank. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So that's all good. So the 1 is still just a center. Maybe it is fine. The outsides. So that'd be this one and then this one. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it looks like these are all the same. And then 3. Let's see. That would be the close, and the close. Okay, yeah, never mind. This'll all work out just fine. Okay. So there are certain positions for each of these, right? So 0 and 1, that's all fine. Yeah, let's make an integer called position. Int position. Okay? And so instead of setting A, we're gonna make it position here. Okay, so if let's see, what are we at? If A is less than 2, so if it's a 0 or 1, right? So on here is 0 or 1. We're not gonna change much, right? I guess I better put this in parentheses. Okay. So if A is less than 2, let's see. Pose equals, let's see. So it jumps over here on this thing, right? So 1, 2, the next dice is, or 0, 1, the next dice is 2, 3, next dice is 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Okay, so position equals, let's see, dices times 2 plus A. So dices times 2 plus A. Okay. Oh, let's send that. There we go. Okay, so 0 and 1, right? For dice 0. Dice 1 would be times 2 plus A. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, etc. So this figures out the bottom if A is less than 2. Okay? So let's say we're on the middle ones, right? So we're on the 3 up top. So if A is greater than or equal to 2 and A is less than 4. So what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, wait. 0, 1. Okay, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if A is less than 5. There we go. Okay. So now we got a little more of a challenge because this is 0 right here, right? But it's also backwards. And we're skipping some. So this is going to be the tough one. Okay? So if I pull up the drawing of this, just to give you guys an idea of what's going on here. Oh. We'll sign back in. Okay. So here's what we're looking at behind it. Right? And here's what it is now. Okay. So I also shortened it up in the drawing because it's way too long and bulbous. Anyways, so right now data order goes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it goes here. So this is 10 right here. But then it goes this way. Not only does it go this way, but it has this extra one in the middle of the dice. So then dice, extra, dice, extra, dice, extra. Okay. So let's keep that in mind when we're programming, okay? So, first of all, we have to inverse it. So if A is less than 2, or if A is greater than or equal to, and A is less than 5, first of all, let's count this again. So we're at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Right? 9 plus 19 is 28. So position equals 28 minus. Let's see, what are we minusing? Let's see. So A, no, I guess it would be another parentheses, dice times 4 plus A. We're going to give that a try, see if that works. So let's say dice is 0, position is 2. Okay. So 0 times 4 is 0 plus A, which is 2. Oh, yeah, we don't want to do that, I guess. Plus A minus 2. There we go. Okay. Let's try that. So 0, right? 0 times 4 is 0 plus A minus 2. So if A is 2, so that's plus 0. Position is 28 minus 0, which is this LED. Perfect. So we're good there. Now if it's 1, let's say, or sorry, not if it's 1, if it's 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 28 minus 1 is 27. So it'd be right here. So that's the next one. And then we skip an LED, which is why we do the times 4. So let's say we're on dice number 1 here. So this is dice 0, this is dice 1. So 1 comma 2. So dice 1, position 2, right? Of our dice. So 2. Let's see. Let's do some math here. So dice is now 1, so that's 4 plus 2 minus 2 is 0, so 4. So 28 minus 4 is 24, right? So let's count that. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right. So that's going to be the edge of that. So that's going to work good. Okay. Perfect. Going good so far. So int, oh, no, sorry, not int, if POZ, or sorry, if A is greater than or equal to 5. Okay? So now we're going to the top row. So basically, it looks like we're just adding, like starting from 29. So this is pixel 28 right here, right? This is pixel 29. So it's 29 plus A minus, let's see. So we're equaling 5. A is equal or greater than 5. So 5. Is it 5? No, okay, sorry. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay, so 5 and 6. That's it. So A minus, let's see. I guess I should do 2 parentheses here. So A minus 5. So 5 and 6 would be 0 or 1. Okay. Uh, plus, let's see. So this one, dice times 2. There we go. Plus dice times 2. Okay. Okay. I guess I should. I don't. I know I don't need to, but for some reason I like to put things like that inside parentheses. So I guess I should actually assign that a value. Position equals. All right. So 29 A minus 5. So it brings this to a 0 or 1 plus dice times 2. Okay. And so if it's a 1, right, under our dice here, if it's a 1, set it to the color I set up here. Or if it's a 0, turn it off. Okay. So let's give this a try. I know that was a lot to set up, but we're going to, let's see, get rid of all this. Okay. Let's see. 4 and A equals 0. A is less than, let's see, there's 5 dice. A plus plus. Okay. And then there's 8 different. I think we had 8 different options. I think, yeah, it's 0 or it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Okay. So let's try that. Int B equals 0. B is less than 8. B plus plus. All right. So we're going to do set dice. I think that's the name of the subroutine. Let's go back down. Yep, set dice. We need the dice, need the number, the value, and the color. Okay? So set dice. See, dice will be A. The roll will be B. And the color will be random. Let's see, 65536. Okay? And that parentheses, semicolon. Okay. So it's going to set that. Let's do a strip dot show. Enter. Let's delay like 500. And boy, I hope this works just straight off the bat. And then we're going to set. Oh, you know what? It sets it to the 0 anyways at the end. Okay. Let's see what happens here. And hopefully it actually uploads. Too few arguments. Oh, and our loop. That's right. Well, we got to clear this loop out anyways. Okay. We had the set dice with the old version without the actual int of dice. 51? No, we're not on 51, are we? Are we on 51? Let's see. Oh, this is should be dices. There we go. This should be dices. Okay. There we go. And then we're getting all sorts of errors from the COM port. I'm going to unplug it. Tools port. Let's see. 273151. I'm going to plug it in. Tools port. 27315158. All right. So let's give that a try here. I'm going to hit upload. There it goes. Writing, reading. Oh, boy, it has a hard time reading. This chip must be bad. But let's see. This program has a couple issues here. Not a couple issues. It has 2 issues, I guess. Yeah, I guess there's 2 issues. The four and five aren't quite right. Okay. I'm gonna open up the serial monitor just because it restarts everything. Oh, the port has crashed. Okay. I might have installed a bad board, but we'll see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of 6, 7. Right. So we need to fix those first. So 5 and 6. Let's take a look at that. So this is 5. This is 6. Okay. So we have 1, 1, 0. Okay. So 1, 1, 0. Then 1 in the middle. Then 0. Whoops. And 1. Okay. Now 6. Let's see. That should be. Oh, no. Yeah, that's fine. 5 should be the same thing where. Oh, sorry. 4. So it's 4 and 5. So this was 5, right? 4 should also be this, this, without the one in the middle. Then here and here. Oh, whoops. See, now I'm confused here. So this one's right. So this one shouldn't be there. Okay. Let's see if we can upload this. And if it uploads, I'll probably end the video here and swap it out with a different board. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now that's looking better. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Off. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. All right. So now we're looking great. Cool. Okay. And the board's still not reading and writing correctly. So I'm going to end this video here. We've got our subroutine set up. We don't have our buttons set up at all, and we don't have our counter set up. So I'm going to swap the board, and we'll start again here. Thanks for watching.